Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Thornton, and I'm going to tell you some fun things that you can celebrate today, June 3rd of 2020. Did you know that today is World Bicycle Day? If you are somebody who is lucky enough to own a bicycle, you are encouraged to get outside on your bicycle and enjoy this beautiful weather that we're having here in Maryland today. Also, World Bicycle Day is celebrating the fact that there are many countries around the world where the primary way that people get to and from their school or their job is on a bicycle. And there is lots of really great infrastructure in place so that those people can ride their bike safely, kind of like how we have a lot of traffic lights and stop signs and traffic circles so that our cars can go safely. Have you also seen those little painted bicycles on the road? That means that's a designated bike lane. So make sure that you're always looking out for those. If you're riding your bike in a much busier area, that's a safe place for you to go. If you are somebody like me who doesn't own a bicycle, you can still participate today in National Running Day. Go ahead and find those great sneakers, get outside, and get running and enjoy this beautiful weather. This is encouraged for anybody of any age throughout our nation to get outside and get running. I know Mr. P and Miss Riggs would be really excited to see you guys doing that. Last but not least, today is also Chocolate Macaroon Day. If you don't know what a macaroon is, it's this little cookie that I drew, and it's not really drawn very well. Miss J will have to teach me later, but it's made with ground almonds and a little bit of coconut and, of course, chocolate because it's Chocolate Macaroon Day. Now, this is not to be confused with those cute little sandwich cookies that looks like a burger that I drew. That's a macaron or macaron, depending on how you pronounce it. But a macaroon is going to be that other little one I drew for you. I'm going to include a recipe to one in the description box below. So if you're feeling creative with your culinary skills today, that's something that you can take on. Or you can lace up your running sneakers and get outside. Or you can hop on your bike and also enjoy the weather. I hope that everyone continues to stay happy and healthy at home. If you have any of these things that you'd like to contribute, you can send an email to forestlakeselementarySchool@gmail.com. And we look forward to seeing you again soon.